Hello guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, we're going to talk about acid, base and salts and the indicators used to identify bases and acids. Before starting, I want to tell you to please like, share and subscribe my channel. Now let's start the session. And as we know, acids are the substance which have sour taste and turn blue litmus red are called acids, which blue litmus papers are the indicators which measures the acidity or basicity of a substance. Okay, and further, if you talk about acids, when acids dissolve in water, they dissociate or ionize and produce hydrogen ion. And such acids that are obtained from living sources are called organic acids. For example, acetic acid, citric acid, malic acid, etc. Okay, now let's talk about properties of acids. There are several properties of acids, and first of all, acids are conductor of electricity. Acids evolve hydrogen with active metals. Acids react with metal carbonates and bicarbonates and give carbon dioxide gas. Now let's talk about bases. Bases have bitter taste. As we studied about acids, acids are sour in taste and bases are bitter in taste. And if we touch it, it feel like soapy. That is soapy touch and turns red litmus blue. It turned red litmus to blue. However, all bases do not have bitter taste. Remember this, all bases do not have bitter taste. When bases dissolve in water, they dissociate and produce hydroxyl bases ion, that is OH negative ion. Okay. Now another thing we must know that all bases are not soluble in water. All the bases are not soluble in water. Water soluble bases are called alkalis. The bases which dissolve in water, that are called alkalis. Now let's talk about properties of bases. Bases are conductor of electricity. Bases are the conductor of electricity. They evolve hydrogen only with certain metals. And now let's talk about indicators. Substances having different colors in acids and bases are called indicators. Substances having different colors in acids and bases are called indicators. Indicators are like litmus, turmeric, China rose are the natural indicators. Litmus paper in acidic medium turns into red, and in basic medium it turns into blue. Turmeric turns into yellow in acidic medium and turns to red in basic medium. China rose turns to dark pink in acidic medium and green in basic medium. That's all about indicators. In this video we covered acids, bases and their properties and indicators. Now let's talk about acid rain. Rain containing excess of acid is called an acid rain. The rain which contain the excess of acid is called acid rain. The rain becomes acidic because carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide dissolves in raindrops to form carbonic acid, sulfuric acid, and nitric acid, respectively. The rain causes serious environmental pollution that harms skins of animals, plants, buildings, and bridges. We all know that acid rain is the reason for the discoloration of buildings and the skins of animals, plants, crops, etc. Now let's talk about neutralization. The acid-base reaction in which both acids and bases lose their character. Neutralization is the process in which the acid and bases lose their character. For example, if we took excess amount of base in our diet and we want to neutralize it into bases, then we can use base, the substances having base to digest or neutralize the acid we took, acid that form in our body. We all know that in our body we have our body release HCl in our stomach. So to digest this, we have to take some neutralizer, that is base, which will neutralize it into water and salt. Now let's talk about some salts. Salts are the products of neutralization reaction of acids and bases. As just now I told you that if acid and bases combine together, it gives us as a product salts and water. So salts are the products of water, and salts are the products of neutralization process that are of acid and combination of acids and bases. Now there are some more topics we have to discuss. There are natural fibers. Natural fibers are those, if a fiber is obtained from natural sources, then it is known as natural fiber. For example, cotton, jute are obtained from plant sources, while wool and silk are obtained from animal sources. Different natural fibers are cotton, jute, wool, silk, and there are some synthetic fibers also available. There are the polymers of high molecular weight obtained in the fibrous form and can be used as yarn. That is, for example, rayon, nylon, polyester, etc. Now let's talk about plastics. Plastic is also a polymer like the synthetic fiber. All plastics do not have same type of arrangements. Plastics are also the polymers of synthetic fibers. All plastics do not have same types of arrangements of units. In some linear, whereas in others cross-linked. And there are some more topics to discuss about plastics and environmental concerns. Plastics, as we all know, plastic cannot be decomposed by natural things. For example, those who decompose the plant or animal bodies cannot decompose the plastics. That's the thing, that we cannot decompose plastics easily. We should use in less amount of plastics to protect our environment. That is all about our today's topic, that is acid, base, indicators, and salts. Thank you. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like and share these videos with a friend and subscribe my channel. Thank you.